just as scarlet wouldn't last a day up against a decent kind of love that wants to stay. I'm a man with demons, not much desire to save, but I could be a fire if you could tolerate my pain. Otherwise I'd go insane. You see my pride's gonna kill me. It's giving me a sustain, fighting for survival to keep my will from going straight. Glass in the kitchen, smoke is filling up the heartbreak hotel. I believe it'll come around. A different type of life. Oh, I walk by faith and not by sight. And you couldn't tell, but I just died. But I feel like I've never been so alive.
Daily
told us all that to die is to gain. So I crucify me to follow his name. And in Christ who lives through me, life's not the same. Cause I've been renewed, he changed my name.
So now which way to go, torn between the two to say I long to go be with the one who put this burning fire in me. And now I see the way he wants me to be. So I'll die daily, yeah.
I die daily, daily. 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 When demons surround your eyes, doors only crack, fractured light, I'll be there to break them down for you. Cause heavy is a heart that carries too much weight on its back, so we're all the same old pains. Yeah, when it pours, it rains. And life sometimes like a mystery novel. You get the gist and try to follow the plotted twist, and you never saw it coming. Wipe the dirt from your brow, take my hand, I'll lead you. I'll put you on my back and keep on running. Just hold on to me, dear. Just hold on, the end is near. Sometimes all we do in life is not enough, but I will be there to lift you up. There, love. Don't wait till it's just too late. Don't turn your back on the wave that's coming to crash down on you. You're fragile like the autumn leaves, crackle torn, your heart it grieves. Back in the same old chains, rusted by the rain. Wires crossed inside of your brain. I'm not the poster boy for sane, but hold your paper heart up to the light. And see all your jagged edges now fit perfectly with mine somehow. So turn off your tears and dry your eyes. Just hold on to me, dear. Just hold on, the end is near. Just hold on to me, dear. Just hold on, the end is near. Sometimes all we do in life is not enough, but that I will be there to lift you up. There, love.
My time has come, I'll lay my weapons down. Every avenue run dry and simple blank, and I can't wait to find the reasons. I can't wait to feel the seasons. My face, on my face, on my face. So I'll bend it till it breaks right through and through. Step we took, a complex faded gray. I can't wait to know the present. But I can't wait for this dear heaven. In my veins, in my veins, in my veins. And all we have is dust, running fingers through the sand. Mediocrity is coming right for me. It's in my hands, in my hands, in my hands, in my hands. In
I've been around enough to know what I'm missing, but I dream of something more. And I might be down to help them fight for a mission if I knew what all the fighting was for. Cause you got an endless list of twists when things aren't going your way. You got them convinced the facts are fiction, different spin every day. I'm not gonna tell you what you're missing, you wouldn't listen anyway. But now that I'm here, I've got something to say. This is the last chance to tell you that I'm not coming back. It's the last chance to prove that I am stronger than that. There isn't much that I can do, but I'm not falling for that. This is the last chance to tell you, the last chance to tell you that I've come too far to let you mess with my vision. Cause we dream of something more. They're not gonna hear you cause the truth is loud, and soon somebody will listen. I hope you know what all the fighting was for. Ooh, cause I got an endless list of gifts when things start going my way. You may be convinced that I can't win, but I don't care what you say. I'm not gonna stand for your so-called mission, I don't believe it anyway. But now that I'm here, I've got something to say. This is the last chance to tell you that I'm not coming back. It's the last chance to prove